Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to overcome fear and procrastination. Let's say you want to do something with your life. You have goals, you have dreams, you want to go out there and accomplish something, but you keep, being afraid of starting to do something, or you think you don't have a skill to do it, or you just create all these excuses and you're procrastinating on doing something with your life. So let's talk about how to overcome that. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the tribe here on YouTube. Usually I provide 2 to 3 videos a week with value, with trainings on how to build an online business and just how to go out there and make it happen, how to accomplish your goals and achieve your dreams. So let's go ahead and dive into the topic. So if you are procrastinating or afraid to do something because you think you're not capable of doing something, or you don't believe in yourself enough to start doing this one thing, you're not alone, because so many out there, so many entrepreneurs and business owners that are now successful have been there where you are. A lot of us are procrastinating, afraid of doing something because we think we don't have enough experience, we don't have the skill that we need to have in order to accomplish something. But the fact is that if you are staying in one spot and you're procrastinating, you're afraid of doing something, you're never gonna get the skill, and you're never gonna get experience. That means you're never gonna be ready to go out there and make it happen. So the most important thing is for you to start taking action as soon as right now. Go ahead and start taking action. Go ahead and take it a step at a time, and start doing something that brings you closer to your goal. So that's the main thing that you need to be doing right now. Start taking massive action. Don't wait until tomorrow, until next week or next month, because you're never going to be ready, because all of us have started out at the same spot where maybe you are now. I was anxious, I had fears when I started out. I was procrastinating on doing some things that seemed to be too hard for me to do, but just to overcome all that and to get the skill, to get experience, to get all of those things that you think you need in order to succeed, is by taking action. Even though if you don't have any of that you want to have, just start taking action. Go step by step and go out there and make it happen. All right, go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet. I would love to provide a lot more content, a lot more value for you here. And also, I did want to mention that you can go ahead and get my ebook that I have for you, The 7 Aspects of Building a Successful Internet Business. Just click the link below and get access to that. I would love to see you on the inside. All right, bye-bye. Blessings.